guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss K Love, and I'm back with a new video. And today's video is a wig review. I had got this hair from Aliexpress from a company called Ueenly hair. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna be giving you guys some details on this beautiful wig and my opinion on what I think about it, and pretty much, you know, just the good details that I normally give you guys. So if you are interested in knowing some more deets on this wig, and if you want to know if it's what's up or if it's not what's up, then please stay tuned. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. And yes, as you can see, your girl has a new wig that I'm so excited to show you guys. And I know I've been gone for a while and I know you guys missed me, but I am just so ecstatic to show you guys what I have in store. So let's go ahead and get into this bomb wig. Well, we don't even know if it's bomb yet, but let's get into it. So you know how Aliexpress do, they always provide us with some goodies. So my wig came with a nude wig cap and some strip lashes, and my wig came in this gigantic Ziploc. Wasn't really feeling that, but it'll do. And the wig cap wasn't nude, it was an orangey color. And the strip lashes, now y'all know these ain't it. But shout out to Ueenly hair for sending us 2 strips and not one, 2 packs, not one, of lashes. So I'm gonna be giving you guys some deets on this texture. And the wig came packed in a net. You know, most wigs come with a net around it to secure and keep the wig in place. So the texture on this wig is Brazilian straight, and the lace is very transparent. So far that is a plus right there, and 24 inches long, and feels soft, feels nice. The wig also comes with your adjustable straps, 4 combs to, you know, secure your wig on your head. So you got one in the middle on the very front, and then you got your sides and the lower one. And as you can see, this wig is just the middle part. And it also is a free part, but it's already parted just for the middle how I want it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into some detail about how I customize this wig. I have a video up and you guys should check it out, and I will also link it for you guys to check it out on how I bleach my knots, do a little bit of customization, and get this wig prepared to get on my head. Okay, so pretty much I'm feeling how the wig is looking. It doesn't need too much customization, but we're gonna have to work with what we got. Let's get into some detail about the company. So the company name is Ueenly, and they pretty much sell wigs, bundles, and frontals and closures. Their communication scale from a 1 to 10 was a 10. One thing about Aliexpress, they always reach out to their customers. They always reach out, you know, once you make your purchase, to make sure that everything is going good, successfully, your payment, just everything overall, keep you up to date with shipment and all of that good stuff. So this company did do its part by providing good communication, making sure I received my package in a good time. I ordered, I believe, on a Wednesday. I got it that Friday. So 3-day shipping was, you know, that's where it's at, because I be excited when I, you know, order here. I just be ready to play. As far as reviews go, they have really pretty good reviews on their site. And if you know me, you know I always go based on reviews. So I kind of just go based on what people say about the hair quality itself. So this company did not reach out to me. I went ahead and purchased this on my own, and it was $130, which I felt like was a really good deal. Inches in the hair come between 8 inches and go up to 24 inches. Color is just the natural color state, and the density on this wig is 150%. So let's get into how I feel about this hair. Y'all know I'll give y'all the honest truth when it comes to these wigs, whatever. I tell y'all what's really good. Really, for real. Girl, this hair has been giving me life, okay? This wig has not disappointed me. Y'all know in my last video when I was trying to run my fingers through that other hair, it wasn't happening. It was getting caught. You know, this wig is a Brazilian wig, and it is a 13x4 frontal. So yes, it is a frontal, and it came pre-plucked. And the lace, you guys, I love how the lace was so transparent. It wasn't to the point where it was like orangey or too dark. It was just very transparent. I love that. The lace wasn't crunchy. It was nice and stretchy, so you was, you know, able to play with it. The density was 150 again. So some people, I don't know if you like really thick wigs. I don't personally like thick hair on my head. It just doesn't look right on me. So the 150 is okay for me, but I would say it is a little thin in the back, but it's not like overly thin. You know, it's not like really that bad in the back. It's a bone straight wig. This is not a curly wavy. It came bone straight. I did not try to curl it because I was going for a bone straight look. This is kind of my overall, my go-to look. So I really don't curl, but I probably would give y'all a video of me curling the hair. I just gotta get me a really good curling iron. And I'm gonna show you guys what flat iron I bought for a really good price, because I remember I told you guys in my last video or my video before, one of the videos I told y'all my flat iron is broke, and the one that I had bought from the beauty supply store was some garbage, straight up garbage. So I went to Walmart and I got a flat iron, and this is the Conair Infinity Pro. Guys, this flat iron is thebomb.com, literally thebomb.com. It goes up to I believe 485, and I got it in the bigger version. They have 2 other sizes that you can get, and I believe they have other colors, but this is the only color they had, and it was only $30, which I feel like is a good price. And it also came with this really cute stand to put your flat iron in, and you just sit it on your countertop or whatever, and you just slide it right in, and that's just what it is. I think this is super cute because I done burnt my countertop in my bathroom, so I felt like this is really cute, you know, and simple. And I also went ahead, when I customized this wig, I had got me a hot comb so I can get into my lace, well, not the lace, but you know, the roots, to touch it up to make sure it's sleeky, straight, and bomb. I went ahead and did that. So I did do a little tweezing and plucking on this wig. However, I did not do it to the extreme. I just created some baby hairs, and as you can see, this is all I did. I didn't go, you know, overboard with plucking, because when I do my wigs, I keep it simple. I don't like the extra baby hairs and stuff. With teeth, it comes with 4 combs, and it also comes with a adjustable strap. I went ahead and sewed on a elastic band. I got some stretchy material from the fabric store. I forgot what it's called, but I'll do a video for you guys on how I sewed that in. I pretty much sewed it in to one side of the frontal and the other side of the frontal, and I did that because, you guys, I tried to do a ball cap method, and I'm gonna just keep it real with you. That shit is not easy. I don't know what it is I'm doing wrong, but it is just not easy. It's not my thing. If you like me, when I get off of work, I want to take my wig off. I don't feel like leaving it on. I want to get them teeth out my hair on while I'm going to bed. And I hope I can make it to home with my wig even on, because sometimes I'll snatch it off in the car. I just can't perfect it, and I want to, but then again, I'm just like, I don't want to have to keep going through all them wig caps, you know what I'm saying? Like, them wig caps, that adds up. So really, for real, this is not glued on at all. This is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna lift it up. This is not glued on, as you guys can see. This is glueless. Like I said, the only thing I did was glue the little flaps that was on the side. That's pretty much it. I cannot do that ball cap thing. It's just not for me. Maybe one day when I know what I'm doing, then I'll go ahead and do it. Here, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this hair is very beautiful, and you know, it's not too shiny, it's not too dry. The ends are really pretty. I will also link the units in my description box. You can run your fingers through it all day. It doesn't mat up. It doesn't mat up in the back like some wigs do. It's very, very long. To me, honestly, this feels like it's a 28-inch, but it says it's 24. This comes all the way down to my, like the top of my. Next that I used in my hair was the alcohol-free Aliexpress natural olive oil mousse. Get this at your beauty supply store. This product was $6.99 and it is alcohol-free. So if you are a person that likes to glue your frontal down with gel or whatever, you might want to use this or alcohol-free mousse. That way when you do your baby hairs or try to customize your unit with some mousse, your lace will not lift up, because then you're going to be mad when it start lifting and you did all that work for nothing. The next product that I had used the good old Gots to Be glue. I only get a little bit of this because I don't use it that much. And I use that for, again, the flaps, and sometimes I might put just a tad bit up here, but again, I really just use it to secure right here. And I have bought me one of these because I got tired of using my toothbrush, and my toothbrush just wasn't getting it like I wanted to, and I needed something like this at the end. So, you know, just like, just flip, like flip, and then like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, look how quick that was. You can just flip it. So this is like a charm to the collection. And then I got me the good old Blast and Freeze. This stuff is magic. Like, this stuff is magic. This changed the game altogether. You gotta get you some of this, and it's worth it to me. You really, like, you don't even gotta spray a whole bunch of this stuff, because one spray be holding it. And I use this for, like, sometimes if the Gots to Be glue don't hold the flaps down, I just spray it on top just for some extra secureness. And I had got me a really fine comb, rat tail comb, because the ones I had, they wasn't getting my parts very defined, so I went ahead and got me this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So y'all go ahead and put this wig in your cart while y'all on the Aliexpress website, because you know act up season is around the corner, so you know we gotta be cute. This is act up season, okay? It's around the corner. Spring is tipping it in just a little bit, but we about to get the full thing in a few, okay? So we want to make sure we're looking cute, building ourselves up, just overall feeling great about ourselves. And again, I don't think you'll be disappointed in this wig. I love it. I'm giving you guys my honest opinion on things. So if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you loves in my next video. Bye, loves.